Before you can make an informed investment decision, you must understand the project's vision, tokenomics, white paper, use cases, roadmap, etc. Before you decide whether or not to invest in cryptocurrencies, you need to think about a few key things. Whether you're just starting to invest in new crypto projects or want to add to your portfolio, it's helpful to have a framework for evaluating crypto projects on hand. This video will walk you through a step-by-step framework that will help you judge different crypto projects. When you're looking at a crypto project, it's important to look at all of its parts so you can make a smart investment decision. In general, you shouldn't make hasty decisions based on your feelings, because this could cost you money. Instead, think about these points. What problem is the project trying to solve? How does the project plan to solve the problem? Who is behind the project? Do they have the necessary experience and expertise to address the problem efficiently? Is the technology behind the project sound and secure? These are just some of the questions you need to ask during your cryptocurrency evaluation. We'll discuss them in greater detail throughout this guide, which will give you a framework for evaluating crypto projects. By the end, you should have a pretty good sense of what to look for, and how to make an informed investment decision. Remember that there is a lot of speculation in the crypto world. So, do your research before you begin investing. How to evaluate a blockchain project. Generally, here's what you should consider when looking at the main aspects of a crypto project. The vision of the project. When evaluating a crypto project, it's important to ensure that it has a strong and achievable vision. In crypto, there's such a thing as vaporware, which often refers to projects with all the bells and whistles, but are unlikely to get off the ground. When evaluating a crypto project, be wary of those that seem too cool and promise too much without having a solid plan or foundation to back it up. Visionaries in the industry come up with many groundbreaking project ideas, but only a few are ever feasible or practical enough to be implemented. Background and team. Another key thing to consider is the team behind the project. This is important because, at the end of the day, it's the people working on a project that will make it successful or not. When looking at the team, consider things like the team members' experience, their history and level of expertise in the crypto space, and how cohesive the team is. The above factors will give you some insight into whether a team is strong and likely to make their project successful. Potential for growth. Growth potential refers to the likelihood of the project increasing in value over time. For example, if a project has a strong team, a good roadmap and a solid tokenomics model, then it's likely that the project will grow in value over time. Researching a project thoroughly before investing is important, as many factors can affect its growth potential. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.